welcome back to Box Sleep Reviews. If you're looking to upgrade your sleep setup with serious comfort and proven health benefits, the Ergomotion RIO 5.0 adjustable base might be exactly what you need. In today's review, we're diving deep into what makes this adjustable base such a standout, from sleep ergonomics to smart features that improve your overall wellness. We've been testing the RIO 5.0 over the past several weeks, and we're excited to share what it's like to sleep elevated, literally. Let's get into it. The RIO 5.0 arrives in a surprisingly compact box for an adjustable base. Shipped direct from Ergomotion, it came well packaged with minimal waste and no damage whatsoever. For something motorized and sturdy, this was refreshingly simple to get inside. We do highly recommend having a helper, as this will make the process much easier. If you're thinking of buying direct from Ergomotion, the RIO 5.0 makes a strong first impression. Fast shipping, painless setup, and impressive features that are easy to use right out of the gate. So, what's new or special about the RIO 5.0 model? Quite a bit. First, you've got the active head tilt feature. This is a nice subtle adjustment at the top of your head section that gives your neck just a bit more lift when you're watching TV or reading. It feels natural, and once you try it, it's hard to go back. Then there's the adjustable lumbar support, a must-have if you deal with lower back pain. It allows you to dial in your comfort even further and provides targeted relief that traditional bases just can't offer. Another standout is the wall saver feature, which ensures your bed moves back as it inclines so that you stay close to your nightstand. Smart design that makes a real difference. And let's not forget about the dual massage motors. They're quiet, they're smooth, and surprisingly effective for relaxing before bed. This feature alone became part of our nightly wind down. Now, let's talk health benefits, because the RIO 5.0 is more than just a comfort upgrade. First up, we've got better breathing and snore reduction. Sleeping with your head slightly elevated opens your airways and reduces pressure on your chest. If you snore or deal with mild sleep apnea, this can make a big difference. Heartburn or acid reflux at night? Elevating the head can help reduce symptoms naturally. No need for stacked pillows or over-the-counter meds. The zero gravity preset is designed to mimic the weightlessness position astronauts use during launch. It promotes better blood flow, reduces swelling in your legs, and takes pressure off the spine. Honestly, it's one of the most comfortable positions we've ever slept in. And when it comes to spinal alignment and back pain relief, the combination of lumbar support and full articulation gives you the ability to find your perfect angle, especially helpful for anyone recovering from an injury or dealing with chronic pain. Now, let's cover some of the bonus features that round out the full experience. Under bed lighting is built right in. It's subtle but super helpful for nighttime trips without waking up your partner. You also get USB ports on both sides of the base, including USB-C, so keeping your devices charged is easier than ever. The wireless remote is simple, intuitive, and has presets for flat, zero gravity, and anti-snore positions. You can even create and save your own favorite angles. And if you want to go fully digital, the ErgoSync app lets you control everything directly from your phone. So, is the Ergomotion RIO 5.0 worth it? We think yes. For real measurable health benefits like better breathing, better circulation, comfort upgrades like the active head tilt, massage, this base offers one of the most complete wellness sleep systems that we've tested. It's ideal for anyone looking to alleviate discomfort, support better posture, or just bring a little luxury to their nightly routine. We love the way it feels, the way it functions, and how much more intentional our bedtime routine has become. For us, it's a permanent upgrade and one that pays dividends in rest and recovery. If you're ready to elevate your sleep, literally and figuratively, you can check out the RIO 5.0 directly at the link below. Be sure to utilize our exclusive discount Boxed Sleep for 30% off your Ergomotion adjustable base purchase. And if you found this review helpful, give us the thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth sleep reviews, and drop us a comment if you have any questions. We'd love to help. More box sleep reviews, and we've got your back.